Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Robinhood privacy settings for safer account management step by step clearly. Open the Robinhood app on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. On the main screen, locate the account icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on the account icon to access your account settings. Scroll down and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Privacy and Security. Explore the privacy options to see what settings are available. To enable additional security, turn on two-factor authentication if it is not already active. This will add an extra layer of protection when accessing your account. Next, review your sharing preferences in the privacy settings. Decide whether you want Robinhood to share your data with third parties. Toggle this setting according to your personal preference. Look for options regarding account visibility and adjust them as needed. Ensure that your account info, such as email and phone number, is up to date. Setting up alerts can help you monitor any unusual account activity. Enable notifications for transactions and security alerts. Review the connected devices and remove any that you do not recognize. Finally, scroll to the bottom and tap Save to apply your changes. Regularly revisit these privacy settings to keep your account secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.